Do you have your own restaurant? Have you ever thought of your own incredible mobile app for your business? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, if your restaurant provides a takeaway or a delivery service, a mobile app enables you to receive online orders and take payment via Stripe, PayPal or bank transfer. You can also integrate with Just Eat, Grubhub and many other providers. Customers can access your special offers, discount coupons via your app digital rewards card, encouraging them to keep coming back. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menu and update it and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to the user's phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows your customers to submit their details when they arrive if they're dining in. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Your app comes fully loaded and fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your restaurant business.